Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back guys to my channel The Drifters Club. In this video I will tell you how you can earn online money without doing anything. Yes, absolutely without done everything you can earn online money. So guys, for this purpose go to your Google Chrome and search Honeygain and click the first website you see on your desktop or on the screen of your mobile. While clicking the first page of your website, this page is appeared in front of you, which you can see on the screen right now. So guys, here we are scrolling down this website. Before doing anything, I will request you guys to please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. If you want more informative videos about online earning and regarding to tech, then you can subscribe my channel. In this channel, you can get updated content. So guys, in this website of Honeygain, you just shared your internet and earn monthly income. As you can see on the screen, if you shared just 5 GB internet, then you can earn $181 per month just for 4 hours. So guys, are you shocking for listening this? Yeah, of course, I am also shocked. This work is just like that. You don't do anything and earn money just by sharing your internet. So here guys, you can download for Android, but if you open this website on your PC, then you can not see the same option which you can see right now. So guys, if you open this link on your PC, then you can see here the option download for Windows. So guys, click download and install this app. So guys, as you can see on the screen, this app is installing. It may take time according to the speed of your internet. So this app is installed, then click open. Here you read the article and then click I agree to the terms of this app and so guys, here the introduction of this app. Welcome to Honeygain. Two options are appeared in the bottom. Click next, and then also next, and then click proceed to setup. Use mobile data. If turned off, Honeybee will work only Wi-Fi. So click yes. And here you can set mobile data limit. Here you can apply duration of each month in GBs, whichever you want to share your data. Then click done. So here disabled battery optimization option for gaining maximized earning. So click disabled battery optimization and then click allow. So guys, here you can see your earning and also you can see the stats of this app, which may be up and down according to your working. Hope so you guys like these videos. For seeing more informative videos like online earning and tech, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So guys, I will come back with another video for you. So take care, tata, bye bye, see you. Listens everyone, but do whatever you want.